Everyone, sample problem is all about polarization. So here's my sample problem. Consider a parallel plate capacitor with a plate area A is equals to 0.02 meters squared and a plate separation D is equals to 0.001 meters. The capacitor is filled with a dielectric material with a dielectric constant ER is equals to 4. A voltage V is equals to 12 volts is applied across the plates. Find the polarization P of the dielectric material. So, atong pangitawon ang polarization P, pero ang isa lang makita, ato sa i-determine ang electric field in the capacitor. So, ang formula sa electric field, E is equals to V over D. So, kay given man ang V, which is 12 volts, pag ang D nga 0.01 meters, ato lang siya i-input, direct substitution lang. E is equals to 12 volts over 0.001 meters. Ang result is 12,000 volts per meter. So, ato nang isolve karon ang polarization P. So, ang atong formula is P is equals to E to the R.
Feel na ko kay E sub 0.
E sub 0.